back to my YouTube channel. And today I wanted to discuss with you all about the bench exam materials. And after the INBD exam, if you wish to, and if you are called, applied to this dental schools and you got a call, and how to prepare for the bench exam. And I also wanted to introduce to you guys with my website, which is called as INBD Doctors. Where and Here I will be talking about my website as well as the bench exam material, what all you guys need. If you want, if you are specifically from Canada and applying to the dental schools in within the states, and you are looking for bench exam material, you can always come and buy from our site, because currently we are shipping only in the Canada and the States. And if you're from some other country and preparing from and got a call and preparing for the bench test, kindly you can always email me, or you can come to my Instagram account and send me a personal message. We can always work something out for you guys. So going ahead, step by steps, obviously for the states, you have to first clear your INBD exam, and once that is cleared, the capit session opens up within from March till I think end of the year, and you can apply to schools within. And if you get a call from the most of the schools have bench tests. There are few schools like Boston, UCLA, which do not currently have the bench exams. Most of the schools will actually have bench exams. So for example, if you get a call from, let's say, USC school, right? They have a bench exam, and you would need certain materials like the typhodons, the bars, the instruments to set up a home unit to practice. So everything is available at our website. And again, once again, the website is currently within Canada, and you're more than welcome if you are from Canada to buy from this website, because everything is available. Personally, I am Canadian who went through the US process, and it was difficult for me to have the bench exam materials getting delivered from the states, because it would take a lot of time through the customs and everything, and it took it was really a hustle. So I have come up with this website currently specifically for the Canadians. So let's go ahead and just talk a little bit about all the products that you will be needing for the exams, like the typhodons. So currently all the three typhodons are available at our website, which is Columbia, Kilgore, and the Eka Dental. So there are certain schools which will be asking for the Columbia, will be giving you Columbia typhodons, like USC and Loma Linda are currently the schools that give Columbia typhodons. Most of the schools do, rest of most of the schools are with the Kilgore, and then there are certain schools like UNLV which give Eka Dental. Once again, lots of students will talk about the difference between the typhodons, but in my personal opinion, I have worked on all three. Yes, they have something like Eka Dental would cut more smoothly. Kilgore is my personal favorite, and Columbia, I like. Students do talk about that there is a contact points are more tight in the Columbia, but personally, again, in my opinion, if you know your basics about a cavity prep, or you can or even a crown prep, if you know it really doesn't matter if it is Columbia, Kilgore, or Eka Dental. Like in my personal opinion, I never had any problem working, because I mostly practice on Kilgore. And when I was interviewed and invited for the bench exams, whether it was given Columbia to me or Eka Dental, I personally never had any problem. So just know if you know how to make the basics, your concepts are clear about a class 2 amalgam restoration, or a composite, or the crown prep, be it PFM, all ceramic or gold. If your basics are clear, it doesn't really matter which typhodont you are using. So we are also on our website, you can also go ahead with the replacement teeth. We have the Columbia and the Kilgore and the Columbia. We also have the Eka Dental, but they are not updated on our website. But in the short time, we will be doing it. Again, we have all the instruments as well. you can see here that we have all the typhodons, we have the Kilgore replacement teeth, and then we have the Bressler burrs. So if you go on the burrs, you can see that we have all different kind of burrs, like the round burrs. We have the specific burrs which are the for the shoulder cutting and the for the shoulder cutting, contact cutting, and even these are the fine burrs. So we have all kind of different burrs depending on what kind of preparation you are doing, be it class 2, be it for the crown cutting and all that stuff. Like, actually all the bus that you need, they are available on our website. Again, once again, the instruments are also available at our website. Like, these are the instruments, basic instruments that you would be needing. So you, like the amalgam carrier, we know that amalgam plugger, specifically for the schools like Buffalo, you would be needing it because they do ask for the composite restoration and the amalgam restoration. Then we have the enamel hatchets and the gingival margin trimmers, which are most commonly used for the class 2 as well. These are the most basic instruments that you would be needing. So as of now, everything that is available at our website, including the typhodons, the burrs, and the instruments, like whatever you need, like at least it is available at one place. Again, like personally going through this whole experience was really bad for me because it would take forever things to get shipped from the states, and then again it would be an international shipping and I would be paying hefty amounts. So again, if you are within Canada and you are called for an interview and the bench exam and looking for the materials for the to set up a bench exam, and please reach out. You can buy it from us, and you can also, if there's anything specifically you want to ask regarding the bench exam or anything, again I am available through my Instagram account, which is the INBD Doctors, that is specifically dedicated to the INBD exam. And for the bench exam, I have made a separate Instagram account, which is INBD_bench exam. So anything, if it is related to the bench exam, you guys can follow me or even text me over there. I am quite responsive in that sense. And but so far, this is all you guys would be needing. Again, the bench exam is all about setting it at home, doing the practices if you are clear with your basics. So this was all for bench exam. And again, I wanted to introduce you all with my website, also that this is all is available. So please, if you, again, once again, if you are Canadian, you can always go to this one website and you can have the shipping within Canada very easily rather than going through the international shipping and all that stuff. So I hope this today's video was a little bit helpful to you guys. Once again, best of luck to you all, whoever is appearing for the exam anytime soon, or if you are getting interview invites from the schools. And I know the next cycle is opening up again in March, starting of the March. Best of luck whoever is applying this cycle. I wish you all the very best and happy New Year's. Bye.